Hey guys, welcome to another video. Derek here. I've had these for a few weeks now, and they're 1.5 inch spacers. I did the 2.5 inch front budget boost spacer lift, and then also did 2.5 in the back as well. And my track bar is off a little bit. I don't have an adjustable track bar, so we're sitting a little bit to one side, and I've had these and I just haven't wanted to put them on yet just because it's not quite centered in the front. I don't want it to hang off too much on one side, but I figured, I'm at the shop today, so we're gonna go ahead and throw these on. All right guys, so we are going to go ahead and spray down the brake drum. Clean it up a little bit where the spacer's gonna sit. Try to get the lugs a little bit as well. Just go around, kind of clean it up. And all right. And then I've got my spacer here, once again, 1.5 inch spacer, hub centric. It's gonna fit on just like that. But first I wanna go ahead and put some Loctite on these lugs. Okay, just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and throw this guy on there. And we're gonna take all these lug nuts off that come with it. Hand tighten them on to the lugs. Alright, so now we're going to torque these, and you might have to stick a screwdriver down here in the rotor. You just throw your wheel on top of that, and you are good to go. Go ahead and do that for the rest of the other three, and we'll get them all on. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have put on all the spacers. Got all the tires on. I rotated front to back this time. And we're having a little bit of a off-center, which I knew was going to be there. It's a little bit more noticeable now that the tire sticks out past the fender, but this passenger, or this driver's side, is probably 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch sticking out more than this side. And that's all to do with the track bar. So just have the 2.5 inch spacer lift, which off-centered it, and it wasn't as noticeable before the spacers, but now with the spacer, you can probably tell it's probably gonna do the crab walking thing. So yeah, I mean, I want to get a track bar, but I also don't want to buy one before I order the 6.5 inch IRO lift, because it comes with the track bar, and I really don't want to. So plan on ordering that here in the next month or two, so I think I'll probably just live with it. I mean, it's been driving fine the way it is. I just don't know if the fender's gonna, or if the tire's gonna tuck now. We'll find out. Gonna be doing some off-roading, so we'll find out if that's gonna tuck or not. I don't think it probably will, but that's all right. We're gonna be going long arms soon enough. Get our adjustable track bar. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. so you can follow along with the build and follow along with the venture. Can't wait to see you in the next one.